Hello everyone, this is Mac with Emergency Reporting. Welcome to another training video presentation. Here today we're showing the new occupancy grid changes from the last update. We heard your request, so let's get started. So as you've noticed here, still a lot of the same look. However, there's some new features we're coming up with. We'll talk about the first ones here is the quick search or column searches are back. So we can select from our occupancy categories and pull those in, and the search goes, or the grid goes to that view. Okay, we can bring them all back. We can type in the name. So we can type AET here, for example, and hit enter, and it will pull to that one. Okay. So we've got our ID search. We can search addresses, search our different types. Okay. We can bring those in, go back to all. We can do zones. If we have those in there, we can search by zones. We can search by station. And we can search by inspector. Okay, so basically the same functions we had before are back in the system here on the grids. Right, as far as your advanced search, notice the search button is gone from up here. So advanced search is under actions. You would click on that, and then here's your advanced search filters that are all still there. Okay, we do have grid view and map view still. You can also, or will also notice viewing the numbers that you're seeing on the page. Okay, so we've got 47 of 47. If you have more, as you scroll down, those numbers will change and continue going. So you will see viewing blank of, say, 200. You may see 120 or whatever is going up. But as you scroll down, it will continue to add those in there. All right. New feature that was added here, sort of two of them, but we showed last time about we can actually move this column and extend it out, or each column we want. We've got the text here in the address wrapped. You can actually open that up and show that it would see the whole address on there, or you can bring it back down and it would wrap around on there. One new thing we added here is, say I want to see the name or the ID first. That's okay. Hold down on that column, move it over, and then your ID will be first. This will be what we would say sticky or saved for this for you. So when you go off the page, you go to another page. So we're going to go into this first one here. We go into it. When we go back out to occupancies, our ID is still first. All right. So we can move that back if we want and put it back over there or wherever we would like it. So you can move the columns around. We've also added this with the columns, the little gear here, so we grid layout. Right now you're seeing we're displaying 9 of 9 columns. Okay, so these are the columns here. All right, we can go to the grid layout. It's going to come up. We've got comfortable and compact we can choose from, and this is just little column sizes or something what it's looking like. This is not the true size, just giving you some ideas here. All right, so we can go to either one there, and then down below we can actually adjust that order right here. If we want a lot of them moved, we can move those around however we would like here, and they will actually be sticky wherever we put them. So as soon as we say save, there's the station up here. Okay, so we can move station back down if we would like. and then say, okay, well, there's some of these I really don't use, for some reason. So we can turn those off and then say save, and then our grid adjusts to that. So now you'll see we're displaying 4 of 9 columns. So here's the 4. So you can adjust it back and forth. This also will stick. So when I go into an occupancy here and I start looking through the different things and I go back to occupancies, my grid screen stays the way I had. Okay, to bring those back, simply go back in and click them back on and save. So that's just a few things we've done in the last week or so to bring some of the requests that y'all had back to our system. I think it's a great improvement. Hopefully that will solve some of the concerns we had and help everybody out in doing your jobs in the fire service. So if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to call our support line, or either shoot us an email or call one of your trainers, and we will be glad to help you in any way we can. Hopefully this is a great help. Hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Be safe, guys. Bye-bye.